online class is English grammar. How to use where and when. W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-E-N, when. Two tables containing lots of phrases I have given, and we will make so many sentences from these tables. Before continuing the video, let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also. Closely observe the tables given, table number 1 and table number 2. There are 4 columns in both tables. We will combine sentences from both the tables and make complete sentences using the words where and when. See the tables number 1 and number 2. Both the tables you have to see clearly and take down the phrases from each column. Table 1, column number 4. See the phrases in column number 4 of table 1. He was born. She learned to dance. The accident happened. He bought the car. She lost her handbag. Like that, observe table number 2, column number 3. The phrases: we once lived. He wrote the book. He found the money. John stayed last year. Now we are going to make so many sentences taking phrases from these columns. We will see how it is made. One sentence I will make from table number 1. Here is the place where he was born. Here is the place where he was born. Only sentence made out of table number 1. Now what we are going to do is, in the place of column 4, we take the phrases from column 3 of table 2. Column 3 of table 2. The sentence will be, here is the place where we once lived. Here is the place where we once lived. Where is used, W-H-E-R-E, where is used to represent a place. This is the place where we lived. It is a place. When is used to represent a time. When is your birthday? Birthday is a time and date. So, to represent time or date, we use when, W-H-E-N, when. We make so many sentences combining table number 1 and table number 2. Here is the place where she learned to dance. Here is the place where he wrote the book. He went to the place where the accident happened. He went to the place where he found the money. We visited the town where she learned to dance. We visited the town where John stayed last year. He returned to the town where he bought the car. He returned to the town where John stayed last year. Do you know the place where he was born? Do you know the place where he wrote the book? Like that, so many sentences we can make. Now, I make sentences from table 2 only. The place where he wrote the book is 7 miles away. The place where he wrote the book is 7 miles away. The house where once we lived was closed to visitors. The house where once we lived is closed to visitors. Now we will change the sentences by taking column 4 of table 1 in the place of column 3 in table 2. We are taking the phrases from column 4 of table 1 in the place of column 3 of table 2. The place where he was born is 7 miles away. The place where he was born is 7 miles away. The house where she learned to dance was closed to visitors. The house where he bought the car will be rebuilt. The place where the accident happened is closed to visitors. Like that, we can make as many sentences as we like. Now observe table number 3. Here we use the word when, W-H-E-N, when. They called on us. Called on means visited. Called on means visited. They called on us on the day when the house caught fire. Jane came to stay at the very moment when the monkeys escaped. We returned home at the time when the roof fell in. Everyone ran outside at the time when the roof fell in. It started to rain at the very moment he started to paint the house. We returned home on the day when the monkeys escaped. We returned home on the day when the police arrived. Jane came to stay on the day when the house caught fire. Like that, we can make so many sentences as we like, combining the different columns. With another topic, we will meet again. Let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also.